We've made it even easier for you to estimate how much your digital accessibility project will cost. On the screen with me is the accessible.org cost calculator. And I'm going to scroll down to the accessibility audit section, and let's just go ahead and start putting together an audit. So let's say our website in this case consists of two simple pages. We have two light pages, two medium pages, and a complex page. So I've entered that into the calculator. I'm going to click recalculate, and here we can see our estimated accessibility audit cost is $900. Now, this is for a base of WCAG 2.1 AA standard and desktop. Let's go ahead and add mobile to this, and we can even upgrade to 2.2 AA if we want to. So I'll scroll down, recalculate, and now we can see that our audit is $1,260. So let's go ahead and play with this a little bit more. Let's say we are after the Section 508 edition of the VPAT. So we want that VPAT service. I'll also go ahead and add in here technical support. So let's add in 2 hours of technical support. We'll recalculate. And now our project total is $2,576. So obviously this is just an estimate, but this gives you a really good feel for about how much your accessibility project will cost. Now I could even go in here and we have a calculator for remediation service. We also have a calculator for user testing. You can play with this as you'd like, but now you're able to give a much better feel for your accessibility project. And this is going to be so helpful when you are planning and budgeting and trying to figure out about how much your project will cost. Of course, our prices are transparent. I will link to our accessibility pricing page in the description as well as the cost calculator. So you'll have both of these, but we list our prices out, but this way it makes it so much easier because now you can run the calculations directly on the cost calculator page. And of course, if you would like a quote from myself, you can reach out to me at accessible.org/contact. I will include all of the links in the description, but for now, I just wanted to go through this cost calculator because it's so helpful as you are planning and budgeting. Now you have this cost calculator to know, okay, about how much can we expect if we go through accessible.org for these different services. So I will include the pricing page. I will include the cost calculator. This will all be in the description. And if you'd like to reach out to me, I will include a contact link in the description.